Subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss an update from Tweak Library. If you are looking for a way to download Instagram videos, we have a trick for you. For this, go to Instagram and open the video that you want to download. Tap on 3 horizontal dots at the top right corner of the video. Then tap on copy link to copy its URL. After this, go to the browser and search for Instagram photo download. Then tap on Instagram photo downloader. Then tap on download video and paste the URL into the text field and tap on search. Below, tap on download to convert and download the video and then tap on download. And that's it. Your downloaded video will be saved in files. So that's all for today's video. Hope you found this video helpful. If yes, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe.